Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Sheets for project tracking templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Google Sheets for project tracking templates, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Sheets website by typing in sheets.google.com. If prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a blank spreadsheet and some template options. To find project tracking templates, click on the Template Gallery at the top right corner. Scroll through the available templates until you find the section labeled Project Management. Choose a template that suits your project tracking needs. A new tab will open with the selected template. Review the template to ensure it meets your requirements. To download the template, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Hover over the Download option to reveal various file format choices. Select Microsoft Excel, .xlsx, or PDF document, .pdf, depending on your preferred format. The file will automatically start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. You can now open the downloaded file in Excel or any PDF viewer to customize it for your project tracking. If you prefer to edit it in Google Sheets, you can also upload the downloaded file back to Google Drive. Simply navigate to drive.google.com and click the New button. Select File Upload, then find the downloaded template and upload it. After it's uploaded, right-click on the file and select Open within Google Sheets. Your template is now ready for customization to suit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.